Today, all I need is just a few minutes. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. Like I said in the opener, I only need a few minutes, but what we're about to do is going to make such a big difference, especially if you are doing craft fairs. And even if you aren't, this is going to be a very useful, quick, and easy process. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera to show you what I'm talking about. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. Before we get started, I want to thank everyone who hit the hype button on yesterday's video. I know you only get a certain number of hypes a week, so I hope that you'll use those hypes on my videos. So if you still have some hypes left, I would love it if you would hype this video by hitting the hype button. And if you haven't seen it, my sister, Teresa, who is Miss T's Crafty Corner here on YouTube, released a new video at 3 o'clock today. She is making a jumbo gift bag. So if you're looking for ideas to make those larger bags as we go into the holiday season, check out Miss T's Crafty Corner. I will have her linked in the description box below, and I also have her tagged in the title line of this video. Now back to today's quick and easy 5-minute or less craft. So I hauled this from Ollie's, and y'all know I'm a big believer. If I haul it, I'm going to use it. And this was $1.99. You get 50 sheets, but it's that very thin paper. So I love using paper like this to make envelopes. And I also enjoy using paper like this to make just small gift bags. And today I am going to show you how to make the easiest flat fold gift bag ever. Now yesterday we made flat fold gift boxes, top and bottom. I'll have that linked in the description box below. But today I'm going to show you how to make these flat fold bags. Now, if you are doing a craft fair, this is a great idea. If you have little things that you're selling and you want to present it in a bag to the person that you're giving it to, this is perfect. This is going to be great for those cards that you might be making. And I just branded mine using some of the stickers I've had for the last 3 or 4 years. But go ahead and set your timer because I want to show you how easy this is to do. 5 minutes or less, and I'm not going to be rushing. We are going to take our tape and 2 pieces of the 12 by 12 lightweight paper, and I am going to place my tape right here. Now I'm doing this because I want a larger bag, the one that I just showed you. You can do this with any size. You can do this with rolled paper. You can do it with just 1 sheet of 12 by 12. You can do it with 8.5 by 11. You can do it with so many different things. But I'm going to go ahead and peel away the tape backer here. We're going to take this piece and I'm going to match it like this. So now we have one long piece. Then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to take one end and fold it over, and I'm making sure that these points match here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'll make sure that my points match, because when they match points end to end, the middle is going to be the way you need for it to be. Now that we have this piece here, let's just take this, and there's that piece. Now we're going to match it end to end with this piece. So we're just matching these two. And now we'll just go ahead and crease right here. Slide this over a little bit. And now we'll take this and we're going to fold it over, matching end to end. And let's crease again. And now when we open it, we're going to have 4 sides. But before we actually put it together, I'm going to go ahead and just fold up the bottom. How far up you go is completely up to you. I went about 2.5 inches up, like that. And now when I open this, I have my scores on the bottom as well as on the side. I am going to take my finger blade and we're just going to remove this corner piece. Then I'll go along the bottom. Everywhere that I have a score, I am just going to angle on both sides of that score. Y'all, this could not be any easier. We are not doing any measuring at all. So then I am just going to angle back. So here's my long piece. I'm going to put this bag together with glue. So I am going to take some glue. Now this probably wouldn't have anything heavy in it, but just in case it does, I'm just going to put it together with glue. Now we're going to take this piece, let's fold it over. And we're just going to match end to end. So now I'm going to use my big old spatula just to work that glue in. Now I can open this. So I'm going to put it together with the flower on the front. So I'll stand it up. We'll fold in this piece and this piece like that. And then I'll fold this piece, but I need to add some glue. So I'm just going to add some glue along this piece. And now I'm just going to take it and put it on like that. Now I'll stand it up and I'm going to add some more glue on this piece. And you can also put a cardboard or a chipboard bottom in here to help stabilize it even more if you need that. So now I have that piece folded over. So we have a nice sized bag here. We're going to take our fingers and just go down the sides to get everything nice and crisp. Then start pinching in here at the top, and you want to make sure that your tops are matching. As you do this, squeeze in the middle like that, and then as you're going down, just straighten everything out, keeping everything nice and straight. Punch that in, and then move down some more, making sure that your sides are nice and straight. And we can go back and just tighten that up a little bit. Tighten that up a little bit. And then just keep going until you can feel the air being released from the bag. Then you can go back with your big old spatula or your bone folder or your spreader, whatever you use, and you can get everything nice and stuck. And now you can really work the stick on the base of your bag. But there is our flat fold bag. I'm going to go ahead and just brand this one. This is a sticker, but I went ahead and laid it down on a piece of white paper just to give it a little bit of contrast on the back. So now I can take my tape, add some tape. I could have just put down the sticker, but we're just going to put some tape. I'm going to take this and we're going to add, and I don't think I got that too straight, but that's okay. We have another nice flat fold bag. You see how flat that is? This process will work with any size paper that you're choosing to use, whether it's very long or you're using an 8x8 or a 10x10 or a 10x12. This is going to work. You just do the fold and the fold again and the fold up, and you will have a beautiful flat fold bag. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy way that you can make your own flat fold bags to be able to give your personalized gifts in, or if you're doing a craft fair, to brand your bags to carry what you're selling. If you have enjoyed this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day, this is what we do, and this is how we do it. And I would love to have you subscribe, so hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. As always, my beautiful, handcrafty friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.